Now in this session we'll do same exercise the last class we did. Now next question. So what is the next question? The next question is a diagram is given there. So we have to find the area of the shaded portion which are given. Yes, that is question number 12. So what is the question? First of all we have to draw diagram. Here OD equal to radius 3.5. So with first one we will find the area of a quadrant OACB. OACB. This is the first question. We will find out the area of the quadrant. And secondly, find the area of the shaded portion. Simple question. Area of quadrant formula 1/4 pi r square, and then to find the value of this shaded portion, we have to subtract the area of this triangle from the area of the quadrant. Yes. So first of all, find the area of the quadrant. Number 1, area of the quadrant equal 1/4 pi r square. 1/4 pi into 2/7 r square. 7/2 into 7/2. Cancel 2 11. So 77/8 square centimeter. So this is the area of the quadrant. Then area of the shaded portion. Number 2, area of the shaded portion equal area of quadrant minus area of triangle OBD. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle OBD. Now area of quadrant formula, or say quadrant answer 77/8 minus area of triangle OBD, half into base into height. Half into base into height. Cancel. So 77/8 minus 7/2. So this one 77 minus 28/8. So 49/8. Yes, so this is the area of the shaded portion. 49/8. First find the area of quadrant. Radius given 3.5, so we make it 7/2 because 7/2 equal 3.5. So 1/4 pi r square, 4 pi r square, 77/8. Then area of the shaded portion equal to area of the quadrant minus area of triangle OBD. So quadrant already you have got. Then triangle half into base into height because it's the right angle triangle. And it's the quadrant, so the angle formed by these two sides is 90 degree. So half into base into height. So 77/8 minus 7/2 equal to 49/8 square centimeter. Next one is question number, how much? Question number 13. Next question number 13. So a diagram is there. The quadrant given O, P, B, Q, C, A. Here OA given 20. The value of OA given 20. Find the area of the shaded region. Means area of this portion. So first of all, the value of OA given. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out the value of OB, and OB is the radius of the quadrant. So OA 20. Now OABC is a square. OABC is a square. So if this one, the value of OA 20, AB also 20, BC also 20, OC also 20. So now first of all, in triangle OAB, OB square equal OA square plus AB square. So what is OA? 20. So 400 equal to how much? 800. So OB equal under root 800, which is equal to 20 root over 2. Unit is centimeter. So the value, the radius is 20 root over 2. Now area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant equal 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4 pi. Here pi equal to 3.14. 3.14. And r equal to 20 root 2. So r square equal to 800. 206 1 also 6 2 8 square centimeter. So 6 to 8 square centimeter is the area of the quadrant. Then area of square. Area of the square equal, the side of a square is 20. So side into side, 20 into 20 equal 400 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the shaded portion equal area of quadrant minus area of square. So 628 minus 400 equal 228 square centimeter. So this is the area of the shaded portion. Next question number 14 down. Question number 14 and question number 2 or 3 is same. Question number 2, yes, 14 and 2 same. So now we will do question number 15. Next is question number 15. Okay, now here also diagram given. Okay, now see here what is the question? Here we will find out the area of shaded portion. Now this is the shaded portion, and this is a quadrant, and this is a semicircle. AQC is a semicircle, and ABCP is a quadrant. So to find out the value of this shaded portion, we have to first find out the value of this segment, because if we subtract the area of this minor segment from the area of the semicircle AQC, then we will get the value of the value of the shaded portion. Before that, to find the area of the semicircle AQC, we have to find out the value of AC, because AC is the diameter of that semicircle. So first of all, in triangle ABC, AC equal to under root AB square plus BC square. Now AB square equal 14 equal 196, 196, 2 into 196, that is 14 root over 2. 14 root over 2 is the value. So AC equal 14 over 2. Now area of the minor segment equal area of quadrant A, B, C, P minus area of triangle A, B, C. Area of quadrant A, B, C, P minus area of triangle A, B, C. Quadrant formula 1 by 4 pi r square. Pi equal to how much? Pi divided by 7. R square. R equal to how much? 14. So 14 into 14 minus area of triangle half into base into height. So 7 2s are 2 2s are 2 7s. Then 2 7s. Equal how much? 154 minus 98 equal to 56 square centimeter. 56 square centimeter is the area of the minor segment. Now area of the shaded portion equal area of semicircle ACQ minus area of segment ACB. Semicircle area formula pi r square by 2, half pi r square. Diameter equal to 14 root 2. So radius equal to 7 root over 2 minus 56. 7 7 cancel, 2 11. So 77 into 2 means 154 minus 56 equal how much? 98. Equal to 98 square centimeter. First find the value of AC, because AC is the diameter of the semicircle AQC. 40 root 2. So if the diameter is 40 root 2, the radius will be 7 root 2. Then we have find out the value of this minor segment, that is area of the quadrant ABCP minus area of triangle ABC. So quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square, triangle right angle triangle half into base into height. This one. Then at last area of the shaded portion equal area of the semicircle ACQ minus area of the segment ACP, half into pi r square minus 56 equal to 98 square centimeter. Now last question, question number 16. So here also diagram given. All is 90. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, now here what is the question? Here the question is find the value of the shaded portion. The shaded portion is 2. Now see what is the rough diagram? 1 plus 2. 1 and 2 makes what? This quadrant. Then similarly 2 and 3 makes this quadrant. And the question is find the value of 2. So see, if I subtract 1, 2 and 3, then 1, 1 cancel, 2, 2 cancel, 3, 3 cancel, only 2 left. 2 is the shaded portion or not? So this is the solution. Means we have to find out the area of this segment, then add with the area of this segment, then subtract the area of the square. 1, 2, 3 means the square. So this is the solution. Now here, in place of 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3 and 1 plus 2 plus 3, we have to replace their values. Now here, area of two segments equal 2 into 1 by 4 to quadrant. No, 7 quadrant because it makes an angle of 90 degree. 1 by 4 pi r square. Pi here pi equal 22 by 7 r square. Yes. Now 2, 11. So 88 into 8 by 7. 4, 6, 64, 704. 704 by 7 square centimeter. So this is the area of the two quadrant. Means this one and this one. Then area of the square ABCD equal 8 into 8 equal 64 square centimeter. Then area of the shaded portion equal 2 quadrant means 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3. So their value is 704 by 7 minus 1 plus 2 plus 2 means 64. So 704 minus 64 is 28, 2, 42, 43, 44. 44 by 7. This one 6, 9, 5, then 2, 256 by 7 square centimeter. So this is the area of this shaded portion. Understood? First of all, we have to find out value of 1 plus 2 means 1 quadrant, then 2 plus 3 second quadrant, and both the quadrants radius is 7. In both the quadrants radius is 8. That's why area of two quadrant equal. So area of two quadrant equal to 2 into area of one quadrant. Area of quadrant equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Pi r square. So after doing calculation, we got the value 704 by 7, which is the area of 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 3, their summation. Then area of the sector, square ABCD, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Side to side 64, then subtract the area of square from the area of two quadrant, that is 256 by 7. So these are the questions based on area related to circles. So this is the chapter finished. These are all the questions. I skip only 1 or 2 questions. So practice those questions at your home. They are similar to the one another. I did one of them same like this. So only maybe one question I have skip in this exercise. So next class maybe we will do some extra question of this on this exercise, or maybe new chapter. Yes, thank you, bye.